So if you run a semi-private studio and you're not sure what your front-end offer should include, you're not alone. And the truth is that most trainers either make their trials too cheap or too long. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you what a high converting front-end offer actually looks like for a semi-private studio. And I'll show you the simple framework that we use to design them. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Justin Devonshire, and I've built over 30 fitness studios over the last 15 years. And to this day, for over a decade, we've been using this front-end offer structure to sign up 3 to 5 new high-paying clients every single week. And one thing I see a lot of gym owners doing is copying offers from elsewhere or even from business gurus without customizing it to their own business or without knowing what the offer is actually designed to do. So most gyms are getting this wrong. They treat their front-end offer like a discount or a trial. So it becomes some kind of free trial, some kind of cheap intro or low barrier offer, or they make it too long and they try and put absolutely everything in and make it some 12-week life-changing journey. But a front-end offer is not supposed to do any of those things. It's not supposed to be a cheap teaser, and it's not supposed to solve all the client's problems before they even become a recurring customer. In fact, the front-end offer is supposed to do 3 strategic jobs. Specifically, the front-end offer should attract the right clients to you, the best clients that you know are going to stay long-term. It should deliver early results to them to show you actually what you can do. And this program should lead naturally into your recurring EFT or direct debit programs. And it must funnel into those things strategically. Now, this is what I call the minimum effective offer. So you need to deliver just enough results and experience for the client to confidently determine that this is where they want to be long term, that they can see themselves fitting into your community and they don't want to leave. So let's break down what exactly this should include. So the first thing is you need a clear and specific outcome or result that you're going to help this person get, whether they become a long-term client or not. So it can't be just come and train with us, just come and try it out. That's not going to work. Because you need to show the client what you can do, not just in the sessions, but you want to show them the other features you might offer, such as nutrition coaching or the accountability that you give, or just the community that you offer in general. You want to show the client the full package of what they would get, not just come and try a workout, because the workout alone should not be the whole of the value that you offer. So you want to offer some kind of result or outcome around fat loss, strength gain, body transformation, or even just a identity shift or a restart or a kickstart. Because the best clients are the ones looking to get a serious outcome, not just looking to try something new and fun. Now, the next thing your front-end offer needs is a structured client journey. So the offer needs to give a step-by-step experience pre-laid out. And the goal that we tell gym owners is that from day one, your client should feel excited. They should feel it's a good buying decision. They shouldn't feel any remorse. They should feel organized and clear. They know what's going to come next and what's expected of them. And they should feel included and integrated into your community quickly. They should know the other clients. They should know the staff members. They should know what the gym looks like. That's going to make them feel more comfortable. And again, that is all going to lead to getting better results. And so the overall client journey should lay out to them so they can actually see how is their onboarding going to work? How is their customized plan going to work? What will accountability and check-ins look like? And what else are they going to have delivered to them outside of the 2 or 3 sessions a week? So when you have this entire journey structured, the clients will trust the program. They'll put more stock in it, they'll adhere to the program, and they're going to get better results. Now, the third thing that your front-end offer needs to have is a built-in ascension path. So this is where most most gyms absolutely fail with this. So the front end offer needs to naturally lead in to your monthly recurring packages. And you can't assume that the client is just going to come to you and give you a credit card. You need to make the invite, make the opportunity for them, and you need to do this structurally and systematically. So the way we engineer this is that by the end of your intro program, the client needs to have higher belief in what's possible for them. They need to see great results and start thinking, wow, what could I achieve in 12 months like this? That's the biggest key. Secondly, they have to feel confident that they like the service and they want to continue with it. And of course, they should feel part of your gym culture and community. So they make new friends that they don't want to be without. And there should be a real FOMO, or a fear of missing out, if they were to stop. So when you do this, and you have a systematic process for giving them an offer, and you give them the right offer and incentive to continue, then you should be targeting 60 to 70% of these guys to stay with you after the initial program. And that's the results that we hit across studios all over the world. So if you want help designing the exact front-end offer for your studio, then inside the Gym School Business Academy, we build this entire system with you. We'll go through exactly how to put together your offer. We'll put together the right pricing for you. We'll build out your acquisition strategy, and we'll show you the exact client journey that converts challengers into long-term clients. Now, Gym School is only $97 a month, and it's specifically designed for semi-private studio owners who want all the systems and SOPs to succeed, along with 2 times a week live coaching with me and personal accountability to take action. If you want more information about that, comment the word school and I can send you over the details.